Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to play Skate 3 on PC. Many fans want to revisit this classic, and with the right tools, it's entirely possible. We'll guide you through the process of setting up an emulator, ensuring your computer meets the specifications, and getting the game running smoothly. Get ready to hit the virtual streets and perform incredible tricks from the comfort of your desktop. Let's dive in and bring Skate 3 to your PC. First, you'll need to download an Xbox 360 emulator. We recommend one known for its stability and performance, which you can easily find online. After downloading, install the software by following the simple on-screen prompts. Next, you'll need the Skate 3 game file itself. Make sure it's a version compatible with your chosen emulator to avoid any issues. This step is crucial for a successful setup, so take your time. Once the emulator and game file are ready, it's time to configure your settings. Dive into the emulator's options to tweak graphics and frame rates for the best visual experience. You can often enhance the game's appearance beyond its original console version. Then, map your controls. Whether you prefer a keyboard or a game controller, customize the inputs to your liking for precise tricks and smooth navigation. Don't forget to save your profile. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues like lag or occasional crashes. Don't worry, these are often easily fixed by adjusting emulator settings or updating your drivers. Many online communities offer fantastic troubleshooting guides and advanced optimization tips, so be sure to check those out. Also, for those looking for great deals, including the Owala water bottle, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers. Enjoy your Skate 3 experience on PC and keep shredding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.